Good day everyone. Today I am going to present my O-level physics project titled Investigating the Relationship Between the Length of a Pendulum and its Period. The reason I chose this topic is because oscillations are part of our everyday life. We see them in swings, wall clocks, and even in some machines. However, many students are not clear about which factors affect the time taken for a pendulum to complete one oscillation. The problem identified in this project was the confusion about whether mass, length, or amplitude affects the period of a pendulum. This investigation focused on the effect of length. The aim of the project was to investigate how changing the length of a simple pendulum affects its period. The objectives included constructing a pendulum, measuring the time for oscillations, recording results, and relating the findings to physics theory. To carry out the experiment, I used a string, a metal bob, a retort stand, a meter rule, and a stopwatch. The pendulum was displaced slightly and released, and the time for 10 oscillations was measured. This was repeated for different lengths. The results showed that as the length of the pendulum increased, the period also increased. This confirmed the theory that the period of a pendulum depends on its length and not on the mass of the bob. In evaluating the experiment, I found that small errors were caused by human reaction time and air resistance. However, the overall results were reliable. In conclusion, this project proved that the length of a pendulum directly affects its period. I recommend repeating measurements for accuracy and using electronic timers where possible. Thank you for listening.